In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom status in League of Legends. A custom status is that short line of text your friends see next to your name in the friends list. It's perfect for a quick message, a fun note, or just letting people know what you're up to. It's simple to set up, and you can change it anytime. First, open your League of Legends client and log in. Once you're at the home screen, look to the right side of the client. That area is the Social tab, also known as your friends list. If you don't immediately see the list, it may be collapsed. Hover near the right edge and make sure the panel is open so you can view your friends and your own profile section at the top. At the very top of that social panel, you'll see your own entry with your icon and name. Right there, you'll find your status. It might show something default if you've never changed it before, or it could be blank. Click directly on that status area to activate the text field. You'll see a cursor appear, which means you're ready to type. Now type the message you want to display. Keep it short and clear so it looks good in the friends list, since that space is fairly small. You can make it playful or informative. Just remember to keep it appropriate and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. When you're happy with what you've written, press enter. That's the key moment that saves your message. If you click away without pressing enter, your status might not update. After you press enter, your custom status will appear under your name, and that's exactly what your friends will see on their own clients. It usually updates almost instantly, but give it a few seconds if it doesn't show up right away. If you decide you want to tweak it, just click the status again, type a new line, and press enter to save the change. If you want to remove your status entirely, delete the text in the field and press enter, and it will clear out. That's all there is to it. Log in, open the social tab on the right, click your status at the top, type your message, and press enter to confirm. With this quick update, you can share a bit of personality or a helpful note with everyone on your friends list, whenever you like. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your status in League of Legends.